Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will share with you how to install and use Ome TV on your mobile device. I will show you step by step. Let's begin. Open Google Play Store in your mobile phone. Tap on search. In the search area, type Ome TV. Click on Ome TV, then click on install. When finished installing, click on open. You can continue with Facebook or PK, then switch the green circle to the right side. Tap on continue as your name. Tap on only this time. Here you can change country and gender. Start to use Ome TV, just switch the screen. When you switch the screen, the stranger will appear one by one. Alright friends, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you next video.